Can you use roof racks on Nissan Altima? Yes, you can use roof racks on Nissan Altima. Roof racks provide an extra level of storage and allow you to transport larger items that may not fit inside your vehicle. Nissan Altima roof racks are easy to install and can be found at most automotive stores. Do you need roof racks for using rooftop cargo bags? If your Nissan Altima has a naked roof, roof racks provide support for rooftop cargo bags and allow them to be securely attached to your vehicle. Without roof racks, it would not be possible to use rooftop cargo bags. While some vehicles come with roof racks already installed, others will require you to purchase and install them yourself. If you're not sure whether or not your vehicle has roof racks, you can consult your owner's manual or ask a dealer or mechanic. How to choose a cargo box for Nissan Altima. When it comes to choosing a cargo box for your Nissan Altima, there are a few things you'll need to take into account. First,